In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add downloadable documents on Wix, making it easier for your visitors to access important files directly from your site. Let's get started by first logging into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com, and once there, you'll see your dashboard. From here, select the website project you're working on and click on Edit Site to open it in the Wix editor or Wix Studio, whichever you're using. It's important to note that you can add downloadable documents in both versions, and the steps are almost identical. Now let's proceed to upload your document onto Wix. In the left sidebar, you'll find an option labeled Media or My Uploads. Click on that, then proceed to upload media. You can either select upload from computer or simply drag and drop your file into the designated area if that's more convenient. Once you've picked your document, whether it's a PDF, DOCX, XLSX, or any other supported format, let it upload completely and then click on it. Doing so will open the file info panel. Copy the file URL that you'll find there. This URL is crucial as it will link your download button to the document. Speaking of buttons, let's move on to adding one on your page. In the editor, locate and click the Add Elements button, which usually appears as a plus sign. Once in there, choose Button, and then decide between a text button or an icon button, depending on your site's aesthetic. Drag the button to wherever you'd like it to appear. Think about placing it under a Resources or Downloads section for easy access. Once positioned, click the button and look for the link icon. Select Document from the options, then Upload Document, or choose the one you've uploaded earlier and click Done. This converts your button into a download link that visitors can interact with immediately. Before you upload, a useful tip is to rename your file to ensure it's easily identifiable to users after downloading. Instead of generic file names like file001, final.pdf, opt for something professional like Business Strategy Guide 2025, PDF. This simple step can greatly enhance user experience by making your files appear more organized and professional. Additionally, if you prefer not using a button, consider adding a text or image link. To do this, click on any text or image, select the link icon, and choose Document to attach your file. This is ideal for brochures, ebooks, and other downloadable resources where visuals are key. If you're managing multiple downloadable files, creating a dedicated page can be a great approach. Name this page Downloads, Resources, or Freebies, and organize it by adding a list of links or buttons for each file. For those of you interested in capturing leads, combine your downloads with a form. Navigate to Add, then Forms, and set up a download form that includes name and email fields. Upon submission, direct users to the document link. This strategy is great for building an email list while offering valuable content. Finally, before going live, preview your site and test the download feature to ensure everything works smoothly. Once you're satisfied, hit publish, and your downloadable documents are ready for your visitors. Happy uploading!